In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix system interrupts high CPU usage on Windows 11. So let's get started. So right click at the start button and then select device manager. In the device manager window, you have to simply expand the list for system devices. So here it is, system devices. Then we need to look for the option that says high precision event timer. Okay, here it is. All you have to do is make a right click and then select in disable device. So I'm going to enable it. And then let me show you how you can disable this high precision event timer. Right click and then select disable device. Click on yes. Okay, after you have disabled the high precision event timer, close the window. Then you have to right click at the start button and select settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on apps. And here you'll find the startup apps that start automatically when you sign in. Click on that. So here you need to simply disable the unnecessary startup programs. And how you can disable that? Let's say for example for Steam, this is an unnecessary startup program. If this is turned on, that means that is enabled. So just simply switch off or switch the button off to make it disabled or to disable the unnecessary startup programs. You can do that for all the unnecessary startup programs, but do not do that for the important startup programs like the Windows security notification icon. Close this. Then go to the Windows search bar and simply type edit power plan. Then click on power options. And here you have to simply choose the power plan, which is high performance or ultra high performance or the ultimate performance. Okay? You can either go with high performance or ultimate performance. And then you can also search for that and how you can enable this power plan into your Windows. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.